Let's look a little more closely at the formula for solving for percent and work on some examples with it. There are a few more terms you might hear when you're working with percent calculations. The term rate is the same thing as the percent component. The part is the portion that we have, and the base or the whole is the total quantity we're comparing to. So to calculate a percent, we take the part that we have and divide by the base. This would give us the decimal form, and as you know, to get that to percent form, we multiply by 100. The important thing here is that the part and the base must be in the same units before you do any calculation. So pay attention to the information you're given in the question. If your part and your base are not in the same units, you may need to do some unit conversions before you calculate the percent. Let's work on some simple percent calculations. We'll round our final percentages to 1 decimal place. If we score 14 out of 20 on a test, let's calculate this as a percent. We'll write out the equation first. Percent is equal to the part over the base times 100%. In these questions, the next step is to identify which number is the part and which is the base. We scored 14 out of 20 on the test, so we know the total test was worth 20 marks. So that's our base or our whole, and we got 14 of those. That's the part. So 14 divided by 20, that will give you the decimal, and then multiply by 100 to get to a percent. So you scored 70% on that test. Pause the video for a moment and try the next question. In this, you're painting 5 rooms in a house, and you've already completed 2 of them. We want to know, what is this as a percent? What is the percent of the job that's been completed? Pause the video and try this on your own. You should have identified that the base is the 5 rooms and the part is the 2 rooms. So 2 out of 5 times 100% tells us that 40% of this job has been completed. Let's do one more example. You're going to travel a distance of 523 kilometers on your summer road trip, and so far you've traveled 145 kilometers. There are 2 parts to this question. We want to know what percentage of the distance has been traveled or completed, and what percentage is left to be traveled or remaining. We know that the total distance is our base, the 523 kilometers, and the part that's been traveled is 145 kilometers. If we use that to find our percent, because our part is the distance traveled, this will give us the percent of the trip that's completed or traveled. So that will be the part traveled over the base times 100%. So the 145 kilometers out of 523 times 100%. The percent of the trip completed or traveled to 1 decimal place is 27.7%. So this is the percent traveled or completed. There are a couple of ways to answer the next part of the question. One way is to consider that once the total trip is done, 100% of the distance will be traveled. If we want to figure out the percent remaining, or the distance that hasn't been traveled yet, we can take that 100% total and subtract the percent that's been completed. The difference will be the percentage of the trip that's still yet to be traveled, which is 72.3%. So remembering that the total is always equal to 100% can be helpful when you're doing a question like this. In the next video, we'll look at how to rearrange the percent formula to solve for either the part or the base.